attempting to do Sade makeup look, and it's gonna be very minimalistic, which is very different for me. I mean, it's gonna be a full coverage makeup. Still, I'm still gonna use my foundation or whatever, just to kind of get my skin like perfectly even, and then to have something to like lay the freckles down on, because Sade had freckles all over her face. So I'm gonna be pretty much doing like her signature look, which is basically like natural face, natural brows, and like a red lip with like her braid. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover or if I'm gonna talk during this, but just stay tuned. I'm going to use the E.L.F Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and I just think this is probably the best pencil for me to use for a while I'm doing this look, just because, like I said, Sade's brow is very like natural and not at all, you know, like what we're used to, but they are very full eyebrows. So I'm just Miss Minnie.
It's Minnie.
Okay. Alright, eyebrows are done. I'm gonna do some concealing, but again, very minimal concealing, just because, like I said, her eyebrows are very natural, so we're just gonna do the bottom. Y'all, I'm probably not gonna be doing no real highlighting today or nothing. Might do like a little bit of highlighting. She had pretty bright under eyes, but again, like her makeup was like very, very natural. Alright, I've already primed my skin, so we're just gonna go ahead and put on some foundation, but I'm gonna only put on a small amount, just because, like I said, her makeup was very natural, but I do want a good base to lay down, so that I have like something to lay my freckles on. I'm definitely gonna do a little bit of highlighting and stuff on my nose and contouring, just because I want to try to get the shape and stuff right. I'm not doing, like I said, I'm not doing like a full-on transformation into Sade, but it's inspired, so we're just gonna try and do our best. I'm just going to concentrate the highlight right where it is, just kind of blend it out exactly where it is and not go out too far, just because we keep things nice and natural, but we want it, you know, bright. And I'm probably not going to bake just because I don't want it getting too bright under my eye. We're probably just gonna do some very basic setting. And take our AirSpun. Look at all this product. I done almost spilled out. Almost though. I can lose it. See, makes the side look nice and matte and bright, but not too bright. So we're gonna set with a brush. So we're just gonna get everything flawless and even. We're gonna take my favorite little contour stick and we're gonna go over the nose just to, like I said, kind of give that elongated look that Sade's nose has. Alright, so we're going to go back with a little bit more of that setting powder. I'm going to put a little bit of extra right here on the side of the nose. And then we're just going to kind of let that sit there. I'm going to dust this away. Set. So now I'm going to go ahead and create my freckles, and I'm just going to use this LA Color liquid. This is just like a brown liner that I got from the beauty supply store a long time ago. I'm just going to lighten these before they dry down completely with my finger. Just kind of blend them so they look like more natural freckles. Obviously right now I got a bunch of dark brown black dots on my face, but it's fine. And I think I'm going to mix in some of my brown pencil just to give some like lighter spots, because she also did have like light brown freckles. You're looking at?
Huh?
What are you looking at outside?
Yes.
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 Alright, I'm gonna try something as well. This little fan brush. I think I've seen someone do this before. Let's try that. I think hopefully it'll work out. I don't like how these freckles are coming out, but you know, we're here. What can we do about it? It's done. So we're just gonna finish doing what we were doing before and just lay out. Alright, so it's probably as good as we're gonna get the freckles to be. We're just gonna move on to our red lip. Okay, so I got the red lip on, and
It's red.
It is red. Oh. I'm going to try and do this braid off camera because there's no way I'm going to be able to do it on camera. So once I get the braid all done, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, I am back with the finished look. This is my little tribute to Sade. Well, to Sade. I think it's really cute. I am not the greatest at braiding, and I had to add hair, so as you can see, it's a little raggedy. The ponytail turned out a little weird, but I really love this red lip, this natural brow we got going on here. I did no contour, no bronzing. I just did, like I said, a little bit of highlighting here.
Mommy,
and on my nose.
I see the mommy.
No, your face looks a mess. You got Cheetos all over your face. Yeah, you got Cheetos on your face. You gotta let mama clean your face. But yeah, this is, I don't know, I like this look. I think it's cool, I think it's cute. I want to get a braided ponytail soon. You know, preferably by someone professional who knows how to actually add hair to a ponytail, because let me tell y'all, I did this in the most ghetto way, and I tried everything I could to do it properly. The first time, I literally did not know how to do it. But I'm feeling this red lip. I usually do red lip with like a darker outline to like create an ombre effect, but I actually am living for this like solo red lip. And oh, Sade didn't really wear like lashes or anything. She was like very natural, so I actually forgot to put mascara on, but we're gonna go ahead and just do that now. We can do that together, guys. No big deal. I would probably add lashes to this look. Probably like my like tease me lashes would be perfect for this. But we're just gonna go with some mascara if I like it. We're just gonna go with that. But if not, Okay, this actually turned out pretty fine with just the mascara, so I think we're just gonna leave it as is because I'm actually gonna take all of this off anyway. I've got something to do later, so I don't want to just walk around with these fake freckles, which they don't look terrible, but my hair, you know, it's all a mess. But thank you guys for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Say beautiful, rosebuds.